Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kavita Sarkar, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology, Kolkata 145. In lecture 3, I have discussed change of variables, Cartesian to polar, and Jacobian. In lecture 4, I am going to discuss on Green's theorem. The statement of Green's theorem, let R be simply connected region with a piecewise smoothly boundary C, oriented counterclockwise. If M and N are functions of x and y and have continuous first order partial derivatives in an open region R, then line integral m dx plus n dy on C equal double integral on R del m del x minus del m del y dx dy. Verify Green's theorem in the plane for line integral xy plus y square dx plus x square dy, where C is the curve of the region bounded by y equals to x square and y equals to x. If you look at the question, then you observe that the left part has been given here. So we have to find both left hand side and right hand side, and we have to show that they are equal. Here the region bounded by the curve y equals to x square and the line y equals to x. Therefore, the curve C is split in two parts, C1 and C2, where C1 is y equals to x square and C2 is y equals to x. The curve and the line are intersecting at 1, 1 and 0, 0. The C is in counterclockwise. Here m equals to xy plus y square and n equals to x square. First we have to find the line integral on the curve C1. On C1 y equals to x square. So if we find the derivative of y, then we will have dy equals to 2x dx. Now let us put these values y equals to x square and dy equals to 2x dx in the given expression. Then it becomes x cube plus x4 and this part x cube with 2. Why? Because 2x is there. So 2x into x square, 2x cube. Now the limit for x 0 to 1. You can solve this single integral yourself. Value is 19 by 20. Now let us find the single integral on the line on C2. On C2, y equals to x, dy equals to dx. So let us put these values in the given expression. Then it becomes x square plus x square and x square because dy equals to dx. And here the x limit is 1 and 0. Why? Because x starts from 1 and ends at 0. You can find the line integral and the value is minus 1. Now we can add both of these values. We are getting the left hand side as minus 1 by 20. Now let us find the right hand side. Right hand side of the Green's theorem. Double integral R del n del x minus del m del y dx dy. Here given that m equals to xy plus y square. So differentiate it with respect to y. This is the partial differentiation. And when you will do the differentiation with respect to y, x will be treated as constant. So you have got del m del y as x plus 2y. Given that n is x square, similarly you find the derivative, partial derivative del n del x as 2x. Now you put these two values in this expression and observe that here we have changed the order of the integration. First we are integrating with respect to y. So we have to take the y limits. Earlier I have told you that how to take the limits. When you will take the y limit, you have to take the vertical strip. So the vertical strips from bottom to top. So at the bottom there is the curve y equals to x square. So y value is x square. So lower limit is x square. And at the top there is the line y equals to x. So y value is x. Therefore the upper limit is x. Inner limits are variables and outer limits are constants. The limits for x, look here, it starts from 0 and ends at 1. So 0 to 1. Now you can solve this double integral by yourself and you are getting minus 1 by 20. Therefore you see the left hand side, look here, it is minus 1 by 20, which is equals to right hand side. Hence Green's theorem is verified. There are two questions for you. You have to solve yourself. Question number 1. Evaluate line integral x square minus 2xy dx plus x square y plus 3 dy around the boundary of the region defined by y square equals to 8x and x equals to 2 using Green's theorem. Question number 2. Evaluate line integral 3x square plus 2y dx plus x plus 3 cos y dy around the parallelogram having vertices at 0, 0, 2, 0, 3, 1 and 1, 1 using Green's theorem. Books you may follow. Next lecture on coordinate transformation, Cartesian to spherical polar coordinate system, Cartesian to cylindrical polar coordinate system. Thanks for watching this lecture. Get a free certificate course in SVIST SEEK LMS domain. You will find other engineering mathematical topics, multivariate integration lecture series, probability lecture series, probability gate question answer, graph theory gate question answer, linear algebra gate question answer, numerical analysis, discrete mathematics, complex analysis, partial differential equation in my YouTube channel. All the best.